A writ of mandamus is an extraordinary tool that our firm uses and that I have extensive experience in. It's a lawsuit against the federal government, in our case, typically USCIS or U.S. Immigration or the Department of Justice if you're dealing with an embassy. And it states that the delay that U.S. Immigration or the Department of Justice has caused in someone's case is unreasonable. And it asks the court to intervene to force U.S. Immigration to issue a decision on your case. So what does that ultimately mean? It's a lawsuit against the U.S. government that forces U.S. Immigration to make a decision on your case in a timely manner. Unfortunately, in immigration, there's unbelievable backlogs and delays, and people often grow increasingly frustrated when their case has been pending for a year, 2 years, even months in some cases. Unfortunately, there's not much that we can do in terms of calling immigration or emailing immigration to get the answers and decisions that we need. So we resort to the federal courts. We file these lawsuits against U.S. immigration, and they are remarkable in that you typically get a decision within 60 days. So something you've been waiting for years and there's no end in sight, you file this lawsuit and you get a decision. So it's wonderful in that regard. One thing that a lot of people ask about and clients are hesitant about using this tool for is they're concerned that there's consequences. Certainly, one could reasonably think that if you filed a lawsuit against the U.S. government, they're gonna retaliate against you for doing so. But it's actually written into the law that there can be no retaliation for filing these lawsuits. In the over a decade of filing these lawsuits, I've never once seen a retaliation by the government.